Welcome to my channel Wheelie Smart. Understanding parallel parking. Parallel parking is a skill every driver needs to master, especially in busy urban areas where parking spaces are tight. It involves maneuvering your car into a space between two vehicles along a curb, while lining it neatly with the flow of traffic. With practice and the right technique, you can parallel park confidently and precisely every time, regardless of your car's size or the space available. This guide breaks down the process into clear, manageable steps to help drivers of all experience levels perfect this essential skill. Step 1. Find a suitable parking spot. Start by identifying a parking space that's large enough for your vehicle. Ideally, the space should be at least 1.5 times the length of your car to allow for smooth maneuvering. Signal early to alert other drivers of your intent to park. Check your surroundings, including traffic and pedestrians, to ensure it's safe to proceed. Take your time to assess the space, as rushing this step can lead to misjudging the fit. Step 2. Position your car correctly. Pull up alongside the car parked in front of the empty space, stopping when your vehicle's rear bumper aligns with their rear bumper. Keep about 2 to 3 feet of distance between your car and the one next to you. Ensure your car is parallel to the parked vehicle, as proper alignment here sets the foundation for a successful park. Turn on your turn signal to indicate your maneuver to other drivers. Step 3. Begin the reverse turn. Check your mirrors and blind spots for safety, then shift your car into reverse. Turn your steering wheel sharply toward the curb, right for the right side of the street, left for the left side. Begin reversing slowly, keeping an eye on the car behind the space. Aim to position your car at a 45-degree angle to the curb as your rear bumper enters the parking space. Step 4. Straighten the wheels. Once your car's rear bumper clears the front car's rear bumper, turn the steering wheel in the opposite direction to straighten the wheels. Continue reversing slowly, watching the curb and the car behind you. Use your side mirrors to gauge the distance and ensure you're staying within the space. This step requires smooth coordination to avoid oversteering or drifting too close to other vehicles. Step 5. Adjust and finalize the position. When your car is mostly in the space, turn the steering wheel toward the curb again to tuck the front end in. Straighten the wheels as you settle into the space, ensuring your car is parallel to the curb and evenly spaced between the surrounding vehicles. If needed, pull forward or reverse slightly to center your car within the lines or to leave equal gaps on both ends. Step 6. Practice and build confidence. Parallel parking improves with repetition. Practice in a low-pressure environment, like an empty parking lot with cones, to hone your skills. Pay attention to your car's dimensions and turning radius, as these vary by vehicle. With consistent practice, you'll develop a feel for the process, making parallel parking second nature in any situation. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.